In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate and manage purchase orders within your expense software. Whether you're a seasoned pro or someone who's recently started working with purchase orders, this guide will detail the process in a clear and comprehensive manner, ensuring you are comfortable with each step involved. First, you'll want to head over to the expenses section of your software. This is typically designed to help you keep track of all financial outflows for your business. Once you've entered this section, look for the tab labeled Vendors. Vendors are crucial to your purchasing process, and maintaining organized records here will aid in managing your relationships with each supplier efficiently. After accessing the Vendors tab, your next task is to identify the Purchase Orders tab. It's conveniently located and should be your go-to spot for managing these essential documents. The system might also allow you to locate it through a search bar by typing in purchase orders. This search feature can be incredibly handy if your navigation preferences lean towards quick access, especially in a bustling work environment where time is of the essence. Once you've opened the Purchase Orders tab, you'll find yourself at a central hub where all your purchase orders are listed. This is where you can view the detailed specifics of each order. The interface typically presents these documents in a straightforward list format, allowing you to scroll through and select any that need particular attention. Additionally, your software may offer filtering options, which can be indispensable for organizing purchase orders by date, vendor, or status. This capability allows you to prioritize your tasks by focusing on pending, fulfilled, or partially completed orders. It also aids in keeping your workflow streamlined and lessens the chance of errors that could arise from missing crucial deadlines. Always consider leveraging these filters to enhance your overall efficiency. Another key feature at your disposal is the ability to print these purchase orders. Whether you prefer physical documents for filing and record keeping, or need hard copies for meetings or audits, printing is just a click away. Printing can be initiated directly from the purchase order view, and it's wise to confirm your printer settings beforehand to ensure an accurate output that matches your business or personal needs. Throughout these steps, remember that familiarity with your expense software will undoubtedly improve with regular use. So, taking the time now to fully explore and understand how these features work will pay dividends in the future. You'll be able to manage purchase orders with increased skill and confidence, saving time and reducing stress. Thank you for joining me today in this step-by-step guide. I hope you found it clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy managing!